Okay, y'all. About to go shopping with the Ratchet Aunties. It's cold in the mud. And you know, people out here, they can't drive. They don't know how to walk. Watch. Walking up to the car like, hello. I just want to order.
So, we're here. Getting Boba.
I'm excited. I'm getting the one with the sushi with the mango in it. Like, I'm excited. So excited! So excited! Oh my God! If I don't like my balls, will you eat them?
That's not the way my mouth works.
What am I gonna do with them if I don't like them?
Swallow.
Oh! Haven't done that since Saturday. Oh, sorry, that's inappropriate. I'm coming back.
I mean, it's not that swallowing is inappropriate. It's just... It's not that it's inappropriate. We're just talking about Boba. Okay?
Oh, my bad. I got sidetracked. Sorry.
Bubble tea. Okay?
Boba, balls, you know, secretions. It's all the same thing. No? You know.
Don't take the used one. Take the other one.
So I'm so excited because it's like Black Friday and I wish I had somebody else money to spend. Sugar daddies, I'm looking for you. But I don't want, you know, I'm not giving away any sugar. Like, this is like stevia. And I'm just going to sprinkle it on there. And that's like holding your hand, a small sponge bath. You know? Oh, wait, I'm in a relationship.
Word to all the sugar babies, right?
I can't say that. Sorry.
You can, but word to all the sugar babies, right? Never tell the sugar daddies that you're not giving no sugar.
Oh.
Lie. Bitch, lie.
The real deal. Help me. Help me. Nigga.
I'm not good at that. Cause see, when you first start lying, you gotta keep lying. I can't remember the lie I said from before.
That's why it's gotta be a simple lie. Everything is yes, daddy.
Oh God, I don't know. I can't do that.
No, whatever you want, daddy.
Yes, daddy.
That's it. Heavy on the daddy.
Daddy.
Yes, daddy.
Only got one daddy. Oh wait, sorry. I got young ears. Sorry. I was gonna go there. Can't go there. We'll come back to it, guys.
So how's your boba?
It's delicious. They taste like gummy bears.
That's why I'm like, I don't know what the phrase is, but it's like,
I
it's
love
so
it.
good.
Can I just have a cup of boba?
Yes.
Really?
Seriously.
Oh my God.
Like you can chew them. I don't think it's okay for you to chew other people's balls.
No, that's not okay.
And these can be your own balls. So, like, you can just get a couple balls.
I want a whole couple balls. A whole couple of balls. Get a couple of balls.
Oh my God, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? How did this get your ass?
I swallowed multiple balls in a row. So, that was weird. Totally threw me off guard. Good singing lungs. Okay? Could have died.
So that means your deep throat is great. You know what? This is going way too far. Okay, I'm sorry.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Most wonderful time of the year. Everybody always be looking at me crazy when I be recording.
Because you're extremely loud.
Oh, am I loud?
Yes.
I didn't think I was loud. Baby telling me I was loud, but I thought he was lying.
No, sometimes it's like an inner ear thing.
Damn, so I got hearing problems.
A little.
I got hearing problems, y'all.
A little.
Don't y'all get excited with the lights? Look at the lights.
It's so pretty in here.
It is. Look at that.
So I used to come in here as a little girl all the time. Well, not this one, the one in Oakbrook.
Somebody want a 14-year-old? I mean, he don't cook or clean or nothing, but he gonna beat it.
Somebody don't like that.
Cause we ratchet.
Look at, they're gonna take a picture. Look at behind us. Look behind us. Oh.
I need to drink more water. Why am I so dark? I'm not even that dark.
Why are you trying to run from your darkness?
Holla at your number.
A few inches later.
Always over here being a photographer. How did she become that? We supposed to be recording ourselves. All right, y'all. The boba tasting was delicious.
It was, yeah.
You liked it?
Yeah, it was.
Oh yeah. Can't say you don't like balls. It's ratchet.